You're starting your own business in Alabama. Well, forming an LLC is a great first move. It gives your business legal protection, keeps your personal assets safe, and helps you look legit to customers and partners. And honestly, it's not as complicated as it sounds. So let's break it down together step by step. Now, before anything else, you will need to come up with a name for your LLC. But you can't just pick anything. You've got to make sure that it's unique and not already taken by another business in Alabama. You can run a quick check using the Alabama Business Name Search tool. Also, your name must include something like Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.L.C. at the very end. Here's a pro tip. If you're not ready to file just yet, you can reserve your name for up to a year by filing a name reservation with the Secretary of State. It'll cost you just $25 by mail or $28 online. Every LLC in Alabama needs a registered agent. This is someone who can receive legal and government documents on behalf of your business. Now that can be you, someone else, or a professional service. Your agent must have a physical address in Alabama and be available during business hours. If you go with a professional service, expect to pay somewhere between $90 and $249 a year. Now that your name is sorted and you've got a registered agent, it is time to file the Certificate of Formation with the Alabama Secretary of State. This is the step that legally forms your LLC. You can file online or by mail. The online filing fee is $208, and if you choose mail, it is just $200. Online is faster, so most folks prefer that. Next up, you need to get your Employer Identification Number, or EIN, and that is from the IRS. This is how your business will be recognized for tax purposes. You will need it to open business bank account, hire employees, or even just file taxes. Now the best part is, it is free and you can apply online directly on the IRS website. And this just takes just a few minutes. Now, the state of Alabama does not require an operating agreement to be created, but it is a really smart idea to have one. This document spells out how your LLC will be managed, who owns what, and what happens if things change down the road. Now, even if you are the only member of your LLC, it adds structure to your business and helps avoid confusion for legal issues. And here's something that many new business owners miss. Alabama requires all LLCs to file an initial business privilege tax return within 2.5 months of formation. Now the minimum tax is $50, but it can go up depending on your income and net worth. You can file through the My Alabama Taxes portal. Set a reminder, you do not want to miss this one. Now, starting an LLC isn't the only box to check. Depending on what kind of business you're running and where you're located in the state, you may also need a local business license. In Alabama, you are required to get a business privilege license from each county where you operate. Reach out to your local county probate office to find out the details for your area. Now that your LLC is official, you will want to keep your business finances separate from your personal ones. Most banks will ask for your certificate of formation, your EIN, and maybe your operating agreement. Once you've set up, it'll make tracking income, expenses, and taxes so much easier. Starting an LLC in Alabama is actually pretty simple when you take it step by step. From choosing your name to filing taxes, you've now got a clear roadmap. And if this still feels like a lot, don't stress, there are services that can handle the whole process for you so that you can focus on what matters, building your business. And if you need more help, check out the full guide that is linked in the description and take the next step toward launching your dream business in Alabama. See you soon.